Hey everybody, it's me Denise with Lily Pop Love. Welcome, welcome. Glad you're here, glad you're here. So, I have to hide this because I did the video and went to upload it and it was gone. So I know what happened. And I know what we have. I'm so sorry, but we're going to do it over and it'll be good. It'll still be fine. It'll be fine. So, I already know what she's wearing too. But now you get to know. So, it's all good. So, we're going to watch her again. Well, and we're going to see what she's wearing. And it's still exciting. So this was the package for today.
Good morning, everybody. It is day 13, and everything's a little bit upside down today.
Yes, it is upside down today.
Well, let's turn Jerome around. And you can see from my shirt that I like living on the edge. So let's look and see what today's
upside
gift
down
is.
today.
This is day 13, and oh, it's right here on the top. We're getting kind of low in our box here. Look
Yes,
at all
we're
those.
halfway done.
We are more than halfway there.
Yes.
So let's see what we've got today. And, oh, you guys, I love these. So, this is a sewing edge, and there are 5 of them on here, and it really helps you keep that 1/4 inch. So you can reposition these, stick them on, reposition them. They're so great. And if you want to put them on, like if you're a clothing sewer, you can put them on the 5/8 inch line. If you're a quilter, you can put them on the 1/4 inch line. If your pattern calls for something specific, you can pick this up and move it anywhere. So it really helps you get your great 1/4 inch, especially if you like living on the edge. Sometimes things get a little turned around and we are living on the edge. So this will help you make your edge perfect. So happy day 13.
So, I'd already opened it. But what I was saying was, I use the diagonal seam tape is usually what I use. And I have my machine set up where I know where to look. But these have, if you can see, it'll have a little edge. So you should be able to, put your fabric, it's kind of a little sticky. I don't know how that'll work. But you should be able to put your fabric up against it, and then that way you'll have an edge. And it says, sew a perfect scant 1/4 inch on any and all machines, reusable, unlike masking tape and moleskin. Lines in front of foot so adjustments can be made. So that's the picture. Can you see it? Why a scant 1/4? Quilt designs assume that when a sewing and pressing is done, only a 1/4 of fabric is removed from the front of the fabric. Because of thread and fabric thickness, the seam allowance needs to measure slightly less than a 1/4 inch, hence a scant 1/4 inch. Do they? I don't know. It's made in the USA. That's good. But yeah, it's just, ooh, my goodness. That one didn't. It's just a silicone filling type thing, I guess. It's very sticky on the back, and it comes on this 3M sheet. And so it's reusable. But, yeah, so reusable vinyl stops for your machine. So, not silicone vinyl. I like it. I think this box has been really good. I'm really impressed with this box this year. Tell me what you guys think. But, come back and see me tomorrow. Tomorrow won't mess up. We'll do it together. Can't promise, but we'll try. And give a like, thumbs up, whatever, subscribe. And when I get to that 500, we're going to do a giveaway. So make sure to subscribe. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. And thank y'all for coming back. And thanks for all the comments. And I really like talking with you ladies. It's super fun. So we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks. Bye-bye.